Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am actually going to do a little bit of a different style video. So I have a bunch of makeup products here that I pulled out. I feel like these are very underrated makeup that not a lot of people talk about, and these have been my absolute favorite in the past as well. So it's like a mixture of my old favorites, underrated makeup. I just wanted to just mash everything together and create a glam look for you guys. So yeah, let's get on with the video now. Also, if you are someone who is new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I mostly post about affordable makeup, skincare, fashion on this channel. Also, I do have a surprise for you guys, for all the makeup lovers, so definitely stay tuned and let's get on with the video now. So before starting, I do want to say that some of you guys actually asked me that how to become a beauty YouTuber or how to do makeup like a pro. So I think so it's very essential that you have a platform that gives you everything, hardcore learning, experts advice, and also the right type of content. It typically takes so long for me, especially for me, it took me so long to master makeup, and especially just to get here, it took me like 2 to 3 years just to even do like a really good, decent type of makeup. But I actually have found an amazing platform for you guys that you can learn and just make your makeup and just get it to the next level and become a pro. Airblack Beauty Club, they are the India's largest makeup learning platform where you can learn makeup step by step from India's topmost makeup experts. And now I'm going to share the great news with you. This platform is providing special scholarships to my community to learn makeup in private Zoom batches. The best part of these workshops are the experts answer your question and give you look reviews as well. So also remember that they only have 50 seats available now, and if you don't hurry, you can miss your seat because it's in the first come first serve basis. So yeah, so definitely go ahead and check the link in the description box. I do not want you guys to miss this opportunity, and if you want to start your career as a professional makeup artist, as a beauty blogger like me, definitely check out the link in the description. And let's get into the tutorial now. So first thing I am going to do is hydrate my skin. Even though it's not like winter, it's not cold here, it's my still feels very tight and very dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix 1 drop of this PAC primer, oil primer, and I'm going to mix this 3 AM moisturizer together. It's just going to hydrate my skin. I'm not using this as a primer, just for the hydration. So I'm going to use both these, and I really love this a lot. They are amazing on the skin, and especially if you are someone who have dry skin, definitely mixing 1 or 2 drops of oil in your moisturizer helps it so much, and especially makes your makeup look so beautiful. And yeah, your makeup is just glowing to glide on, and you can totally see how healthy and glowy my skin looks after using this as a combination. And I feel like the 3 AM moisturizer, nobody talks about it. It's one of the best moisturizers I have tried. Yes, for these winter months, it can not, it's not going to give me that amount of hydration I need, but it is one of the best and soothing moisturizers, especially for the price. I feel like it's definitely my go-to moisturizer these days. The next product I'm going to use is this NY Bae Pro Primer. This is the yellow color corrector primer, and it's specially used to just brighten up your skin. This is actually a very new product that I have purchased very recently. I think it was under the price of rupees 300. It's only 249 rupees, and oh my god, it definitely does blur out my skin a little bit and gives a little bit of the brightening effect. It's obviously not meant to use as a color corrector, but just a little bit of that brightening effect it definitely gives it, and I have really been loving it. I haven't used this one actually that much. One of my subscribers told me to try out this product out, so I have been trying it out, and yes, I am enjoying this, and I do really love how unique this primer is. So the next thing I'm going to try is this Sugar BB cream. This is the SPF 30 BB cream. Now this has been my absolute favorite BB cream in the past, and I really love it. If you have a little bit of money, to spend on a BB cream, yeah, I know it's 800 rupees for a BB cream, and that can be a lot. But if you are someone you don't like to use foundations at all, you only rely on BB creams to make your skin look flawless and good and nice and just makeup that looks undetectable, I think you can definitely invest in this BB cream. Now I I know it can be affordable for a lot of people, but I know that it's not affordable for many as well. 800 on a BB cream is a little bit, on the higher side. So if you are thinking of getting a product to you work as a BB cream and just everyday kind of foundation also, I do think that this is going to be perfect. And as you can see, this looks super flawless on the skin, and it does give me a little bit of that coverage as well. So it's like a two-in-one product for me. So the next product I'm going to use is actually a really underrated makeup product. So this is the Studio West concealer, but I'm going to also mix in the NY Bay concealer a little bit because it can be a little too dark for me. I'm in the shade 03 Caramel. I feel like Studio West concealer is so undetectable. It's so natural. It doesn't have a lot of coverage though, but it looks so natural that I'm like, wow, this, every time I use this concealer, I'm like, how is this so inexpensive? How is like no one talking about this? It's extremely an underrated makeup product that I feel like a lot of people don't talk about. And I do know that they don't have a lot of shades. I just wish that they did include a lot and variety of shades, because this concealer is amazing, and I definitely would love for you guys to test this one out because it's really a gem. So the next product I'm going to use is this Face Secret palette. Now I did talk a lot about this product in the past, and I'm still going to talk about it because it is one of the best eyeshadow palettes that I have in my collection. The quality of these palettes, I know it's going to be a lot for someone to take in, but I feel like it's very similar to the Anastasia eyeshadows, and Anastasia eyeshadows cost a lot. I used to pay like 4,000 for Anastasia eyeshadows. I feel like the quality is so similar. It's pigmented, but it's blendable. The color scheme of this palette is beautiful, and the shimmers in this palette are so good. It's one of the best shimmer and matte eyeshadow palette that I have. And you guys know I obviously always use the matte shadows, but there are so many different types of browns in here, good peachy transition shades, a cranberry shade, a black shade, and such good shimmer shades as well. The shimmers on this palettes are very unique. I feel like the shade Class is one of the most unique eyeshadow shade that I have in my collection, and just as a whole this palette is such good quality, and the color scheme goes so well with each other. Love it so much. And yeah, I will definitely be using this in the coming videos as well. So the next product I have here is actually a product that I haven't used on my channel yet. So this is the Palladio. This is the Crush Metallic Eyeshadow, and it's in this shade Xenon. And oh my god, this is such a beautiful, I would say yellow, gold, greenish type of a shade. It's a very unique type of a shade that looks beautiful with every eye look that you do. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on my inner corners, not like in my inner corners, but around this part of my eyes. And it's one of the most beautiful shades that I have used. Very creamy, very buttery, and it just looks very popping. Like it makes your eye look pop, and it's just going to take your eye look to the next level. It's a single shadow, and I think it retails under rupees 500, so really affordable also. But yeah, I really love it a lot. Going to use the Sugar Mascara, one of my favorite mascaras. So the next product I'm going to use is this Westside. This is the contour stick, and it's in the shade NC02. One of the best contour sticks that I have. It's a very nice neutral undertone. It blends so easily. It doesn't pack a lot of pigment where you cannot blend this away. I feel like it is so natural, almost undetectable on the skin, and one of the best contour sticks that I have used personally. And I always grab this when I am in a hurry or I just want my makeup to look very natural, very nice. This is what I grab, and as you can see also in the clip, it blends so well, and it just creates a beautiful shadow, yet it doesn't make your face look very grayish. So it has the perfect undertone. So the next product I'm going to use is a cream blush. Now this is the She Del blush. As you can see, this is a very beautiful peachy type of a blush. It is one of the best cream blush that I have, especially if you are someone who have dry skin. You are going to love this blush. I featured this blush on my channel quite a lot of times actually, and I really love it. I got it from Amazon. I was just browsing Amazon one day and I saw this blush and I was like, wow, the shade looks so beautiful. So I just wanted to get my hands on this, and honestly one of the best purchases because I can use this every single time I do my makeup. Like, doesn't matter if I'm doing a cool tone smoky eye, warm tone smoky eye, this blush looks good with everything. And also one best important thing that is that it looks very dewy and very glowy. So now I'm going to use these lashes that I got from Amazon. You can choose to skip lashes also if you want, but these are the lashes that I really like for my glam days. And yeah, so I just cut them in half and put the smaller side on the outer part of my eyelashes. So I'm just going to put on some lash glue. I'm going to use the lash glue from Europe Girl. This is really a really amazing lash glue that I have recently discovered. So I'm just going to put a little bit of it. And I'm going to wait for this one to dry out, because a little bit, you know, just so that the lash glue gets a little tacky. Not completely, you don't have to completely wait for it to dry out. So while that's drying, I am going to go in with my lips. So this is the Insight lip liner and it's in the shade, I don't know the shade name, but it's really a beautiful brown toned lip liner, especially for this season. Really an amazing shade. So I'm going to go in with a very muted pink nude lipstick and it's in the shade MO2. It is from Westside. Again, Westside makeup is so underrated and I always talk about Westside makeup a lot. A lot of you guys actually told me to try out some of the other products from Westside, so definitely going to try it out. Now I'm just going to use this on the center of my lips and blend it in. This lipstick is only rupees 95, so yeah, I just wanted to say that. So while that's done, I am going to go in with the lashes now. So the last thing is obviously to set your makeup, or just to make your makeup look a little bit more dewy. And since it's winter, I really want to make my makeup a little bit more dewy. So I'm going to use this 3 AM setting spray. So this is how my makeup looks like. I'm just going to let the setting spray sink in and I'm going to show you guys a close-up of all the products I used. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is how my makeup looks like and I absolutely love all the products that I use. I use it every single day, you know, so I just wanted to share my old favorites with you guys, underrated makeup, so that everything just comes together in one video. So definitely do not forget to check out Air Black Beauty Club. The link is in my description. You guys can go ahead and check it out and apply and claim your seats now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.